Hey everybody, Jonathan Scott. We're here at Russell's at the College of Southern Nevada with Chef Jill Mora, who's the director of the Culinary Arts program here at CSN. Chef, why'd you pick CSN?
Well, I'm from Northern Nevada, and I'm very familiar with the community college up there. When I came to Vegas and went to work, after many years working in Vegas, I decided to go into education, and this is the program to be in.
What were some of the spots that you worked at before you joined CSN?
Oh, let's see. I opened the Fiesta with the Maloofs. I was one of the chefs that opened New York, New York. I worked at Rio. I've worked all over Vegas.
Shout out to our friend George Maloof.
Yes. They were great to work for. We had so much fun. It was a great, great place to work.
What can you tell us about the program that makes it appealing?
Well, it's actually currently ranked about number 7 in the country. We're accredited by the American Culinary Federation, and we have a very comprehensive program. But what we give them is a really solid background, a solid base to start their career with. They end up moving up very quickly. If you go into a restaurant with limited training, it takes a long time, but you go in with a training from a community college such as ours, you actually move up very, very quickly. We have a restaurant here, Russell's, and we train them as line cooks, so they learn that. And then we also teach them the management side. A chef's a manager. You know, you're managing a kitchen, you're not just cooking. Cooking's easy for you. We require our culinary students to also take front of house classes, simply because you can't run a restaurant in the back if you don't know what's happening in the front. And it also gives them a different respect for servers. There's always tension between cooks and servers, but if you've ever had to serve, then you realize that it's not as easy as it looks. We actually have an associate's degree in pastry arts. So you can get a full-on degree for nothing but pastry arts. You don't have to go into the culinary side. Culinary and pastry are 2 different avenues. And we have top-notch chefs that teach our pastry program. We do everything from basic baking up to chocolate and sugar pieces, fine dining, desserts, plated desserts. We actually have students that own pastry shops here in Vegas. If you're interested at all in culinary arts, come talk to us. We will be more than happy to sit down, show you our program, walk you through what it takes. Most of our students work already. They work the first semester they're out of here. So even for working people, you can take 1 or 2 classes, and we don't have to go full time. It's not 5 days a week.
Our teachers here are more than just teachers. They're actually mentors, and they guide us through our career decisions.
You've got catering. You've got airplanes that need food prepared for them. You've got ships and boats. You've got all kinds of opportunities out there. It's not just working in a restaurant.
So I actually want to do into catering. That's why I pursue culinary, so I can get both perspectives of front of the house and back of the house, because coming from a future business owner, I want to know both sides of the story, what works in both ways.
Now, I have to tell you that one of my favorite entrees is chicken. If I said to you, Chef, what's your specialty chicken, what would you make?
Well, let's see. For me, I would probably do a chicken chasseur, which of course is French. It's basically chicken braised in demi-glace with mushrooms and tomatoes. One of my favorite dishes.
Any party advice for anybody that wants to get into the field and come to CSN?
If you're interested at all in cooking, come see us. We can offer you just about anything here.
Director, Chef Jill Mora. For more information, go to the website, which is csn.edu. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
We'll be back in a minute.
Thank you for staying awake. More Insomniac television in just 2 minutes.